Arlington, this is Miss Heaney. I'm going to book talk An Abundance of Katherines by John Green. Have you ever been dumped? How many times? Well, Colin Singleton has definitely won the record as far as how many times he has been dumped. 19 times to be exact. And get this, all of them have the name Katherine. Colin is very smart, like genius child prodigy smart. But don't let that scare you. He's very relatable and very likable. But he's trying to figure out a theorem, the theorem of underlying Katherine predictability, which he hopes will predict the future of any relationship and finally win him a girlfriend. Hassan is his best friend, and Hassan has a great idea of going on a road trip after their senior year. So they head out on the road with Colin's mission to figure out this theorem and Hassan as his sidekick. Like I said, this book definitely stayed with me. The characters are very likable, very quirky and relatable. This book was really funny, enjoyable read, and highly recommended.